Hello to everyone, my name is Vlad. In this channel, I will try to share the experience which I collected over the 15 years work as an analyst. I was working in different FMCG companies, holding the role in finance, planning, dealing mostly with analysis and long-term, short-term forecasts. Also important element was the work with M&A deals. Despite holding different roles over the course of my career, from the junior analyst to director, I can call all of them as analyst because essentially the job is very similar. You take the bunch of data, which is sometimes chaotic and sporadic, and you try to make sense out of it. The next step is to understand what are the key elements and what impacts them. And the third step is the projections which you can build on how these elements could evolve, depending on the external environment or the evolution of the internal business KPIs. Many colleagues and friends from the industry asked me to create some lectures and training courses to help them understand deeper certain elements of my job. As a common practice, in order to collect the information for those courses, I started to make notes. And over this period, I collected plenty of those. Some of those were utilized in the actual courses, the others remained as unsorted database. Eventually I decided that some of my ideas may be helpful for the others, and especially for people who decided to build their career of focusing and leveraging their skill of being a solid analytical person. Some of them may be helpful for you, but may not be applicable straight away. However, I hope that at least they may trigger a certain thinking process and eventually may help you to become a better person and a better professional. At the beginning, I will try to focus on more practical elements, i.e. the tasks and the solutions which I found over the course of these years. However, also I would like to touch certain elements which are related with the work as an analyst, such as hiring, managing and motivating analysts. It's not clear for me what will be more important for you, so you will vote with your views and let's see where the journey will take us. Thank you and wish you good luck.